Hello everyone, welcome to another Photopea tutorial. Today I will show you how to change the color of an object in Photopea. So we have different kind of ways to change the color of the object. Obviously, if you have a object that you can change the color, you can just hit right click blending options and change the color, right? This will change the color of the entire screen and entire object, right? This is if you don't have image like this. If you have image like this and if you want to change the color of the car, right, for example right here, and all that color, what you need to do is go here to this right here icon and then go to hue and saturation. Now what you can do is, as you can see, you can also create a mask, right? Or what you can do is just hit alt, and then what you can do is you can create a clipping mask. But if you just go here to hue saturation, you can change the hue and you can basically change the color of the car that way, right? So as you can see, the saturation as well, you can change that as well to make it a little bit poppy. Lightness, you can change that as well, like this, for example, right? So that's pretty much how you can change it, right? This is the only way to do it if you want to do it this way, right? But yeah, that's pretty much how to change the color of an object in Photopea. If you have any questions or comments, comment down below and we'll see you in the next video.